Hello everyone. I have a toolbox. However, the important thing isn't the box itself, but the contents. Inside, I have a Makita cordless drill and its battery. I'm attaching the drill battery to the drill and drilling holes in wood. I'm trying to press the button, but the drill isn't working, and the battery doesn't seem to hold a charge. To keep track, I'm cutting a small piece of masking tape. This will help us easily identify our modified battery. I'll stick this tape onto the back of the battery I plan to modify and mark it with a clear X. This way, I won't get it confused with my other good battery. I have another battery here. I'm attaching it to the drill. The drill works immediately with this good battery. And to further differentiate, I'll put a V on the back of my good. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Here you can see both batteries, clearly marked. Next, I'm setting up the charger. I'll plug it into a power strip, and you can see the green light indicates it's ready. I'm currently connecting the charger to battery X. The green light indicates the charger isn't recognizing the battery, so it's not charging at the moment. Now, I'll connect the charger to the battery marked V. The red light confirms it's charging, which is perfect. I'm carefully unscrewing the back of our X battery casing. We need to access the internal components for modification. Gently, I'll open up the battery to reveal the powerful cells and the circuit board inside. I'm carefully taking out the battery cell pack and the circuit board. I'm using a brush to meticulously remove any dust or debris from the circuit board and the battery pack. This ensures everything is pristine for our modifications. Now, I'm applying a bit of WD-40 to the circuit board. Next, I'm taking a piece of sandpaper and gently sanding certain areas on the circuit board. This helps to clean the contacts, protect against corrosion, and improve overall conductivity. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. After sanding, I'll clean off any remaining dust with a tissue to ensure our connections will be perfectly clean. Now that I'm preparing the cables for charging, I'm reusing a standard electrical plug. I'll carefully disassemble it to extract these sturdy metal pins. Now, I'm stripping the ends of a red wire and a blue wire. I'm stripping the insulation at one end and securing the metal pins to them by tightly twisting the stripped copper wire and threading it through the pins, then tightening it with a screwdriver. This will create our custom power leads. For the other ends of the wires, I'm attaching alligator clips to each end. These clips make it easy for me to connect to the power source. Similarly, I'm repeating the process of attaching the metal pins and alligator clips to the blue wire. With the homemade wires ready, I'll connect them to battery X. I'm connecting the prepared pins and securing them to the contact points on the battery circuit board. I attach the red alligator clip to the positive terminal and the blue alligator clip to the negative terminal of the car battery. To confirm our modified battery is fully functional, I'm connecting it to its charger. Do you see the red light? That means it's finally charging. Success! We've brought this battery back from the brink. I'm pressing the charge indicator button on the battery itself. All lights are green, confirming a successful modification and full power. Then, I'm carefully closing the battery casing and securing it with the screws. It's important to make sure everything is snug and protected. I'm snapping the freshly revived battery back into my cordless drill. Moment of truth. It works. This powerful rotary drill is ready for any job. It feels like having a brand new drill without the high cost. The drill easily drills into its surfaces. This proves that our revived battery not only works but works at its best. What a great feeling to fix something that was once considered junk. This battery is fully functional and ready to power all my tools. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.